Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
You start by assessing the finger. Look for paleness, bluish tint, numbness, or severe pain because those signs demand urgent action. Once done, wash your hands briefly and apply a cold pack to reduce swelling for 5–10 minutes, not longer. Next, test a tiny amount of lubricant, soap, oil, or petroleum around the ring. Make sure to have dental floss or a thin string and scissors at hand so you can begin the removal technique immediately. Once the finger is cool and lubricated, slide a thin piece of floss or string under the ring toward the knuckle using a needle or thin tool. That creates a starting end. Then wrap the floss tightly in small coils from the fingertip toward the base, compressing tissue so the ring can move. Hold the base unwound section and slowly unwind the distal coils while guiding the ring over the knuckle with steady pressure. If resistance increases, stop and reapply lubricant or cold. Finish by cleaning the area and checking circulation after removal. Make sure the finger regains normal color and sensation. If the floss technique fails, apply ice for 10 minutes to reduce swelling and retry once more with fresh lubricant. As a last resort, seek professional help. Jewelers or emergency departments can cut rings safely to prevent tissue damage. If you notice increasing numbness, severe pain, or blue discoloration at any point, go to the emergency.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.